everyone, today we're going to make bird feeders. You will need a tray with tin foil on, cookie cutters, shaped cookie cutters, a jug with 60 ml of hot boiling water, a bowl to mix your stuff in, your bird seed, and a cup for your bird seed to be measured in, and a spoon for stirring, and your gelatin. Your main ingredients are the gelatin and the seeds. So first we pour the gelatin into the bowl. Then we pour in the 60 millilitres of boiling water. Then we stir the gelatin and water together until it all dissolves. Then we pour in the bird seed, nearly a full cup of bird seed. We mix the bird seed and the gelatin together. If the bird seed looks a bit too wet, we can always add a little more. That looks really good now. Then we take our baking tray and our cookie cutters and we're going to layer the bird seed in. So we pop the seed into the cookie cutter and we do it in layers. And what we do is we press it down really firmly. Keep pushing it down to make it really compact. That's it, push it down. Then add another layer. And again, push it down. Job. And then for another layer until your cookie cutter is full. And don't worry if it overflows a little bit, because it will still come out really good. And as you can see, my cookie cutter is full. And what you do is you put that in the fridge for 3 hours. And once your cookie cutter is set with the bird seed, you then get a needle and cotton and you thread it through. So you thread the extruded bird feeder. You thread it through. It goes right through, and then you tie a knot so you have your bird feeder, and you can hang it out with the birds. Well done everybody, good job. See you soon, bye bye.